Hello everyone, and I hope that you all are in pink of good health and joy. So children, in this video I am going to continue with the exercise 8.2 of the chapter Algebraic Expression and Identities of class 8. Okay, so I am coming to question number 4, and in this question we have to obtain the volume of a rectangular box. Okay, and the dimensions are given: length 5a, breadth 3a square, and your height is 7a to the power 4. And you know that the volume of a rectangle or the volume of a rectangular box is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, so let's see how to obtain the volume of the rectangular box. Okay, so first here L is equal to 5a, breadth is equal to 3a square, and C is your height is 7a to the power 4. Okay, and you have to write here volume of the rectangular box is equal to L into B into H. Okay, now in place of L you write 5a, in place of breadth you have to write 3a raised to power 2, and in place of height you have to write 7a raised to power 4. Okay, now what we have to do? First we are going to multiply the numerical coefficient. Okay, 5 3s are 15 and 15 7s are 105. So here 105, and we have this variables a into a raised to power 2 into a to the power 4. Children, in this we have to use the laws of exponents. You know, when the bases are same, see they have the same base as a, and the operation of multiplication is applied, then all the powers will get added. So 105a raised to power, here nothing is mentioned, it means here it is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So the volume of the rectangular box is 105a to the power 7. Okay. Second part says length is a, breadth is minus a square, and your height is a to the power 3. Okay, so you mention it here like L is equal to a, B is equal to minus a raised to power 2, and your height, take it as height, not C. Okay, a to the power 3. Okay, now volume of the rectangular box is equal to L into B into H is equal to, in place of L you will write a, in place of B you have to write a raised to the power 2, and in place of H you need to write a to the power 3. Okay, now these are all variables, and here we have to use the laws of exponents. Okay, when the bases are same, the powers are different. Okay, and multiplication operation is applied, we need to add up the powers. Okay, now see here, minus is there, it means the numerical coefficient is minus 1. Okay, plus minus is minus. When we multiply a positive and a negative, always the sign will be of negative. So, and this negative and again this positive will be multiplied, then again we will get a negative sign. Okay, so here it will be minus a raised to power 1. Here nothing is mentioned, again I am telling you it is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now minus a, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, so the volume of the rectangular box is minus a raised to the power 6. Okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I'm taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. In the third part, it is mentioned that L is equal to xy, B, that is breadth, is equal to 2x square y, and your height is equal to 2xy square. Okay. Now the volume of the rectangular box is equal to L into B into H. Okay. Now in place of L, we write down xy multiplied by breadth is 2x square y, and your H is 2xy square. Okay. Now here the numerical coefficient is 1. So 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now xy into x square y into xy square. Now what we are going to do to make it more simple, what we have to do, bring all the same variables together, like x is there, okay, x into x square into x into y into y into y to the power 2. Okay. Now 4, see the bases are same, x, they have got the same base as x, multiplication operation has been applied, so the powers will get added. Okay, so 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 1 here 4, and here y, the bases are all same. Okay, they have got y as the base, so now, and the operation of multiplication is applied, so here the powers will get added. So it will be 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So the volume of the rectangular box is 4 x to the power 4 y to the power 4. Okay. Children, in the second part, L is equal to 2p, breadth is 4q, and your height is 8r. Okay. Now the volume of rectangular box is equal to L into B into H. Okay. Now L, it means it's 2p multiplied by B, that is your 4q, and H is your 8r. Okay. Now first we are going to multiply the numerical coefficient. So 2 4s are 8 and 8 8s are 64. And all these are different variables, so it will be P into Q into R, or in other way you can write as 64 PQ R. Okay. Children, the last part of the question is L is equal to A, your breadth is 2B, and your height is 3C. Okay. Now again, you should mention all these important things there. Okay, you should know what is the volume of a rectangular box. Okay, and this is equal to L into B into H. So what is your L here? It is A, your B is 2B, and your height is 3C. Okay, first you multiply the numerical coefficients. So 1 into 2, 2, 3 are 6. And these are all different variables. So A into B into C, or in other way you can write it as 6A BC. Okay. So children, hope you got the explanation well. And children, if you are fine with the explanation, but still if you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button as well. Thank you so very much.